Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Today I'm going to go over how I'm making money with trading 212. I've been day trading for about a month and a half now, and I'm making between £25 and £50 a day. It's about £150 to £250 a week. I've been doing this with 4 stocks, which are my 4 favourite stocks for day trading. The reason being they have a lot of movement and a lot of price up and down basically. I'm going to share those with you today, along with what I tend to look for when I'm day trading, the kind of chart I'm using and the time patterns and all that sort of stuff. Again, I am not a financial advisor, so please, this is just my opinion and little insight for you guys to view it of someone who's not got, millions of followers and is just like you guys, learning on the side, bit of a side hustle at the moment and trying to gain that traction and build my account. So I'm just going to screen share with you now. Okay, so this is the Trading 212, a UK based investment platform that do free trades. So unlike the US, in the UK we don't have the PTD rule, which means we can day trade as much as we want with as little as we want. Trading 212 allows you to invest as little as £100 and you will be able to trade. I've set up a link down below in my description. If you sign up via that link, we actually both get a free stock worth up to £100. So, free money. Who doesn't like free money? So, a couple of options. You've got CFD, Invest and ISA. I personally use the Invest. It means you actually own the underlying stock as opposed to trading on leverage. What does this mean? This means that you can only invest as much as you've got in your account. So if you were to have, say, £1,000, then you can trade with up to £1,000. However, you can hold it overnight at no extra fee. So if you are in the red and you don't want to sell, you can hold that stock for as long as you like and you won't be charged for it because you essentially own it. So let's go to my top 4 stocks. So stock number 1, again, all 4 are trading on the US market, which opens 2:30 UK time and shuts at 9 PM UK time. So first one is Beyond Meat. If you haven't heard of them, they're a vegan company. They essentially did basically all the fake burgers, sausages, all that sort of stuff. Veganism is massively gaining a lot of traction, becoming more and more popular, especially with the latest pandemic of the coronavirus. So what I like to look for in stocks is a big difference between the low and the high. As you can see here, there's a $9 difference, 156 to 165. That gives us a lot of potential to make a lot of money. If you were to buy even at 158 and sell at 162, that is $4 per share. If you've bought 10 of these, that's $40 for the day. That is near enough your target done just off that one. Stock number 2 would be Boeing. So airlines at the moment are in discount. Boeing actually manufactures airplanes. Huge company, trading as much as over $300 a share back in February. Obviously with the current pandemic they've dropped massively, but for day trading, great option. As you can see, there's a $13 difference there, so a really good opportunity to make some good gains on that. In addition, if you were to buy high and it did drop, chances are this company should eventually go, if not back to where it was, nearly there as soon as this is all over. So if you do have to hold on to it a little bit longer, you can rest assured you'll probably hit the green. Stock number 3 for me is Nikola Corporation, competition to Tesla, and again trading $5 difference on the last day of trading, usually again between 5 and 10. That's what I usually go for, between $5 and $10 of difference, and that allows me to basically make bigger gains on one share. And then stock number 4 is Teladoc, so AI healthcare. Again, as you can see, $11 difference, so really good opportunity to make some money. Now in the nitty gritty part, obviously this is just a very quick overview. I usually have my charts on candlesticks, and on the actual day I quickly have a look at the 4-hour chart, see what kind of direction the market is going in, where the support and resistance is, and then when I'm actually day trading, I like to be in and out of trades all day basically. So I usually set it on the 1 minute and as an indicator I use the relative strength index on a period of 10, and this basically allows me to see where the market has been overbought and oversold. As a rough rule, you genuinely sell when it's been overbought and you buy when it's been oversold. So on the ups and the downs, again, this is just a rough indicator, so use it as that, don't use it as 100% what you should be doing, but it does help a lot. That's just a quick overview, guys. I will be doing a few more videos with a little bit more in-depth analysis as to how I'm actually making the money on the day. I'll film one live, see if we can hit that £50 target, and that's the main thing. Again, if you've enjoyed this, please like and subscribe, and I'll be making a few more of these. I'm doing one on setting yourself up on Trading 212, what everything does, how it works. If you do want to obviously see a little bit more about analysis and all the other bits and pieces of trading, there's tons more great videos on YouTube to check out of guys that have a lot more experience than me that can help you with that. But this is just from someone like you who's been doing it for a little short time and is managing to make some money. Thanks a lot, guys. See you next time.